Flowing through the heart of London, the Thames River has been the city's lifeline, witnessing the evolution of civilizations along its banks. From its role in nurturing early settlements that transformed into bustling centers of trade and culture, the Thames story is deeply intertwined with London's history. Ancient communities thrived by its waters, leveraging it as a critical artery for commerce, communication, and connection. The river's ancient origins shape not only the physical landscape, but also the historical narrative of human progress. As we delve into its journey, the Thames invites us to contemplate the legacies left by those who have interacted with its waters, connecting us to London's storied past and guiding us through the city's development. As we journey through time, the Thames stands as a testament to London's relentless pursuit of progress. From its bustling medieval commerce to the transformative Industrial Revolution, the Victorian era marked a significant phase of innovation, drastically improving the river's health and navigability. This period not only depicts the river's revival from pollution, but also symbolizes London's adaptability and ambition. Embodying the spirit of transition, the Thames encapsulates London's ability to evolve, always mirroring the city's historical chapters from medieval to modern times. Its story is a poignant reminder of the influential role it plays in weaving the cultural and social fabric of London. Today, the Thames reflects London's vibrant commitment to sustainability, culture, and recreation. Efforts to rejuvenate its waters coincide with the city's broader environmental ethos. This transformation has made the Thames a hub of communal life and creativity, from the serene jogs at dawn to bustling evening markets. As a modern testament to urban harmony, it blends history with dynamic sustainability. Through this lens, the Thames narrative continues, embodying not just London's physical heart but its soul, promising a future rich with untold stories and opportunities for renewal. The Thames journey is also a story of resilience amidst challenges. Urban sprawl and environmental concerns once shadowed its waters, but collective efforts in conservation have led to remarkable recovery. Through innovative projects and community engagement, the Thames today is cleaner and more vibrant, reflecting London's enduring nature and adaptive soul. This tale of triumph over adversity underlines the significance of unified action for a sustainable future. As we explore this chapter, let us remember the integral lessons of conservation and resilience mirrored in the waters of the Thames. Looking towards the horizon, the Thames symbolizes a future anchored in sustainable development. Envision a river that embodies our collective dedication to harmony with nature, showcasing innovative projects that promise conservation and rejuvenation. This vision of the Thames as a beacon of cultural and natural beauty underscores the importance of each contribution towards sustainability. In concluding our narrative, we're reminded that our actions today craft the legacy of tomorrow. The Thames, ever flowing, beckons us to uphold values of partnership, innovation, and sustainability for generations to come.